Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to, wait, hold on. That's just a customer's computer, don't mind that. We're going to take the hard drive out of an HP Mini. In my opinion, these are junk. I don't know why you have one, but if you need to take the hard drive out of one, let's go through that. So you take the battery out just by pushing those in. Screwdriver in there kind of helps you give it leverage sometimes if it's being sticky. There you go. Pops right out. So, let's see here. So as you can see, there's no screws on the bottom of this thing. See if they hid one underneath the rubber. No, they didn't do that. I've done this before. I just maybe you just have to. Yeah, you probably just have to do this. There we go. So if you make a little bulge in there, you can get the fat screwdriver in there and just shove that one all the way in. And then that gives you a bit of leverage for prying this thing open. They need to make little pry bars for this kind of stuff. Ah, shit. Okay, so the screen, we'll put that back later. We'll have to do a little soldering to put that back, but that'll be fine. There we go. There we go. And there's the drive right there. So, now we're going to switch to tools on this now because we're not cavemen here. We do things right. And save your screws. Some people like to organize them. They'll have like screw position A, screw position B. They'll actually write it down on a form. Whatever you need to do to keep your screws organized. Feel free to try out different things. There's different methods for everyone. So there you go. There's the hard drive for the HP Mini. Just pull the screws out of the side of the hard drive caddy. And that comes right off. So, putting it back together. They're basically like people. If you close a wound on your arm, it'll heal itself. Computers can do the same thing. So all you need to do is, well, you would put your hard drive in there, of course, and then you would just lay that on top and just stick the battery in. And that'll work too. The contacts are close enough to touch, so that'll be just fine. Oh, there we go. And on the screen, let's see. I'm not sure how that's going to go back together. I do happen to have. This will fix it right up. There we go. There we go. And then the other side should just hook on right there. Yeah. Looks about exactly the way I got it. So, there's how you pull the hard drive out of an HP Mini. Stay tuned. I will have more demonstration videos in the future.